What is going on? In this video, I'm gonna be reviewing this salad spinner from the brand Neatness. So let's jump into it. If you're wanting to eat healthier and cleaner produce, then I highly recommend you get this salad spinner from Neatness. It does a great job at washing and drying your produce. By removing extra water from your greens, it actually keeps them from getting mushy and sticking together. Using this salad spinner is by far the easiest and quickest way to wash your produce and keep it fresh and crisp for longer. You can also just use it as a colander to rinse nearly any food and then just spin it and drain it using this one tool. You don't even have to remove the lid to add water because you can fill it and drain it through this spout right here. So you have a drain right there and then you can fill it through this hole. You can use this salad spinner to prep romaine lettuce, spinach, cilantro. I'm a huge fan of cilantro, by the way. Cherry tomatoes, carrots, peppers, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and even pasta. My wife and I do a lot of food prepping, and this really comes in handy to clean and dry our fruit and veggies before we put them into containers. It cuts prep time in half, makes veggies last longer, and helps us actually eat healthier foods. The biggest reason why I love this salad spinner is because it actually gets our food a lot cleaner. You see, a lot of produce from grocery stores these days are not the cleanest, and most are covered in pesticides, herbicides, and soil. But when I use this salad spinner, I can literally soak my produce in water and veggie wash, rinse it, drain it, and spin it until it's nearly dry just by using this one kitchen gadget. Also, what makes this salad spinner better than other salad spinners is the fact that it has two locks to keep the lid on super tight. Also, the bottom base has this built-in non-slip material so it stays in place, while other salad spinners have those small rubber pads that eventually fall off. My wife also prefers this salad spinner because it's larger than most, it's completely clear, including the lid, and doesn't have a bunch of nooks and crannies, which makes it easier to clean. Except for the basket inside, this salad spinner is dishwasher safe. It can even be used as a nice salad serving dish when you remove the basket. We definitely give this Neatness salad spinner 2 thumbs up and a 10 out of 10 score. So hopefully this video was helpful for you in making that buying decision. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
The Briefton Salad Spinner and Chopper is your solution to boring, tedious vegetable prepping jobs. It lets you wash, dry, store, serve your salads, and make quick work out of chopping tasks, all with one easy-to-use, convenient, compact appliance. Simply put salad leaves into the basket. Press the pusher repeatedly and let the salad spinner work its magic to remove excess water. No more hand washing and laying veggies out to dry. The salad spinner lets you cut prep time in half, as the bowl cleans and dries greens effortlessly. This is the perfect tool for drying salads, herbs, vegetables, berries, etc. quickly and easily. Use the chopper to chop and mix veggies, herbs, eggs, and create fresh salads, salsas, pesto, guacamole, etc. in seconds. It is also great for chopping onions without shedding a tear. The salad spinner and chopper can be operated with just one hand or with both hands. It is suitable for both left and right hand users. The pusher can be collapsed and locked down to save space. All parts can be stored inside the salad spinner's bowl for compact storage when not in use, saving precious space in your kitchen. What's more, the salad spinner basket doubles as a colander and the bowl doubles as a serving container. It's great for all kitchens, RVs, travel, camping, or off-the-grid living, as no electricity is required. Let the Briefton Salad Spinner and Chopper take the hard work out of drying your greens or chopping vegetables and put the fun back into cooking again.